I am in front of the Durg Central Jail where the two hapless nuns and the Adivasi Yuva, young man, have been imprisoned. And they have been here for last 8 days. It's the 9th day. And left parties have been consistently supporting the cause of these minorities. And 3 delegations had visited Durg. One delegation led by Comrade Brinda Karat, where prominent leaders and MPs like Ani Raja, K. Radhakrishnan, Sunir, Rahim, all were there. And another delegation by Srimati Teacher and Sujata. And the third delegation comprising of myself, Sandosh and Jose K. Mani. Jose K. Mani was in the first delegation also. And we have been consistently supporting the cause. And we have been visiting the offices, institutions, and other places of the Christian community here. And we have been hearing them, listening to them, and we have been interacting with the civil society. We visited the nuns in the morning, and we told them, we shared them the news about what's going to happen. They hadn't any knowledge about the proceedings that had happened in the Bilaspur NIA court yesterday. We explained to them, and we said that we will be here in the jail till the bail is granted and till they are released. And we are happy that the fight and also this constant support has yielded some result. But let me just say that this is only a partial victory. We have to fight to make sure that this FIR is quashed. Along with that, there are so many false cases that he has been implicated. And the BJP hasn't yielded. The Sangh Parivar is still active in spreading canards. Even today in the morning, there was digital poster which was circulated saying that these 2 nuns were instrumental in human trafficking. And the BJP is running with the hare and also hunting with the dog here. So we have to make sure that all like-minded parties, progressive forces, secular forces are rallied so that this onslaught that is happening against the minorities across North Indian states and the farce that is being happening in the name of conversion laws are being defeated. These nefarious schemes for BJP have to be defeated. And today I can say that the Constitution, the Samvidhan has won. And let all of us continue with this fight. And unless a resistance is being unleashed, unless this fight is being taken ahead, there may not be any respite. So let us be cautious and let us be conscious about the fact that this victory is only a partial victory and a larger struggle lies ahead of us.